Good serve. Naregaluhan si Lana Barrera.
Back-to-back point.
One of their prize recruits, Lana Barrera, the Filipino-German.
It's a good pass from Red.
Del Moral at the middle. This could be big for Adamson if they could get off to a really strong start.
Perfect pass.
Cudao once again. Third time is a charm. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way. Our goes down. Faulty reception. Arasan force to just send it over. Red Bascon down the line.
Really great to see the former Adamson Baby Falcons now with the Lady Falcons. Now a chance ball again for UST.
Blessing Onekwe converts. This cool clay is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
Perfect pass. They go to Jurado and she gets that point.
Siya naman ang lumapit. (11-10), 1-point lead. 11-10, 1-point lead for the Golden Time. Manuel. Mordi is up front. And they immediately go to her.
Good serve.
Arazan moves forward. Frances Mordi.
A gift from Mordi. Tries to hit it this time. She's blocked.
Sapienza from the pipe. Shaina Nitura. Poyos one more time. Juris Manuel with a nice dig. As well from Avril Bron. Nice rally.
Great defense from both teams. Mordi hits it home.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Ng UST, 17-16. Gula taking off from the back. Nitura is up front, but is denied once again this time. Nitura goes long. Nice adjustment there from Shain.
Knowing that Nitura is now in the front row. Look at that hit.
Mas na-anticipate.
But also he said that the...
Simply amazing ang Poyos poetry in motion.
What a sight to see.
Can Nitura answer? She will!
From the middle as well.
Super shy activated. Nitura from the pipe is denied by Avril Bron. This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
One good pass muna first, okay?
Frances Mordi launches and scores.
Going above the blockers.
Beat them twice. Poyos from the pipe.
That's good.
Still alive. Diving in was Julia Balingit. Close to the net.
Balingit asks for it, sends it over. That's a check ball.
Frances Mordi. Nice coverage that time by Juris Manuel. Abisegi is denied.
Going on with Adamson is that UST is reading their spikers really well. Kailangan nila ng...
It's in!
A service ace by Siza.
UST faithfuls. Mordi, poor read. Wasn't able to get to that. Sets to none. They get set number 2.